Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can accept Temu's invitation link on desktop. So it's pretty simple. Now first you need to receive Temu's invitation link. So I've received Temu's invitation link from one of my friend on Facebook. What I need to do is just click on the invitation link. Once I click on the invitation link, it is going to take me to the official sign-in page of Temu. Once I'm in the official sign-in page of Temu, I can scroll a bit down and click on Go to Temu. Once I click on Go to Temu over here, I can install the app of Temu. Once I install the app of Temu, I can start using Temu. Now what will happen if I use this, invitation link is basically my friend will get a chance to earn some money from Temu, and I will also get a free gift from Temu, which means like I will get a free spin on their app to win like money or a product. That is basically how you guys can accept invitation link on Temu. First, as I said, you need to receive an invitation link, and through that link download the app and then log in into the app and create the app. Then only you can get a chance to spin the wheel. So I hope you understand how you guys can accept invitation link on Temu using PC. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future Temu related videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.